Controlling your accessories has never been easier than with a 10.25-inch display. On the vehicle, go to the Controls applet. If the ACM is connected, you will be able to access the settings to add your accessories to the display. From there, you will see all the accessories available for your vehicle. Make sure to choose the one that you installed on your vehicle. Validate that your new accessory is connected in the connector mentioned above and press Install. Now you can control your accessories from the Controls applet or via the Ride Settings button on the steering wheel. If you don't find your accessory in the Ride Settings, make sure to add it in the cycle via the Preferences section. But that's not all. There's another feature available for even quicker access to your accessories: the Smart Control Center. Once installed, you can easily assign an accessory to a button on the keypad right from the display and control it easily by pressing it.